Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla from the new Godzilla vs. Megalon movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla from the new Godzilla vs. Megalon 2023, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back up. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to go down, and then I'm going to come back up and down. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and curve up, and then same thing here. Just go down and then curve up. I'm going to make a circle in here, inside each one. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for the pupil. Next, I'm going to bring this line around on each side. Bring this line up and down here. Same thing here. We're going to go up and down. Now, he's got a little bit different style nose this time. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve down on each side. Then we're going to bring this down and then connect it. We're going to bring this in on each side. And then we're going to draw a little line on each side like this. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out like this. And then same thing over here. We're going to curve a line that goes out. I'm going to bring this line down and around and then connect it. I'm going to make a long broken line that comes across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down here. Same thing here. We're going to come out and then down. We're just going to kind of curve it in and curve it in. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line around and up. Same thing here, we're going to come up and then around. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up to a point and down. Same thing here, I'm going to bring this up to a point and then down. I'm going to make a little broken line right along the bottom. Do the same thing here, we're going to come up to a point and down, up to a point and down. And we'll do the little broken line right across here. Make a line that's going to come up to a point, and we're going to bring this over. And then I'll make two broken lines that come here. Make a couple little lines right in the middle there. I'm going to make a few little curved lines that come down here by the eye. And a little line above each eye. Now let's put some teeth in here. I want to make a couple big pointed teeth right here in the front. And then I'll put a couple smaller ones in there. Then I'm going to do some different size teeth that come all the way across here. Kind of putting them behind each other. Next, I'm going to bring a line in on each side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and up. I'm going to put a couple small pointed teeth right in the front. And then I'm just going to curve some sharp pointed teeth, making them a little bit smaller as they go back. Do the same thing here, just some kind of small pointed ones. And then I'll put another little row of teeth towards the back on each side here. I'm going to draw two lines here, and then two lines here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down and then back up for the tongue. and then a little curved line right around there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve out and down, out and down. And then I'm going to make a couple more little lines just going to curve out to kind of shape out the face. Starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line right around the mouth. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then up. I'm going to draw some little kind of curved, broken lines right around here just to kind of shape out the jaw, and we'll kind of connect up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down and out for the neck. We're just going to go down and out. And then same thing here, just a couple more little ones that just kind of curve out and then go back in. Just like this. Put a little line that's going to come out and down for the ear on each side. And then right back here, I'm going to add some little kind of wavy lines just to kind of start off with some of his spikes. Do the same thing here, just kind of making these big spike shapes. Now we're going to come in and just kind of add some little details. I'm going to add some broken lines kind of right around the eyes. And then some other little lines kind of right around the eyes here. Some lines by the nose, and then we're going to make some little broken lines just kind of curve up here. I'm going to add just some little texture lines right around here. Just because this new Godzilla is really wrinkly, he's got a lot of detail on him. We'll add some extra little lines that kind of come down from the jaw. I'm going to make some of these lines kind of come down to a point and then back up, just to kind of show there's a little bit different texture with a little line coming up. We'll add some extra curve lines on here, and then a few little detail lines right around here. Then I'm going to add some more little texture lines all around here. Nothing too crazy, but just enough to give him some detail so we can get an idea of how much bumps and scales he has on him. They're going to even put some coming across here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla from the new Godzilla vs. Megalon 2023. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.